Hey man, I'm really poor and my wife divorced me and she took the kids. Please, I just need some money.
No.
Kill yourself!
Oh. Sir. Oh, wait, sir, who are you? Are you Josh? Who's asking? Alex. Alex is asking. I don't know an Alex, I'm sorry. Yes you do, I'm your sister. I don't, How did you get released from prison? Good behavior? What you did certainly wasn't good behavior. Why are you running away from me? How do you even remember what I did? Everyone remembers. Okay, then tell me what I did. I'm not telling you. You know what you did. I don't have to remind you. You don't know what I did. Ah! Hey, wait. What? Do you want to do the stuff that we did back in the day again? No! That got you in jail. Are you crazy? Just do it. No! I'm leaving. Bye. What's this? Dude, I have to go. Oh, so you know that car from the other day?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna steal it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. What was that? So you know, like the plot Crazy Rich Asians is so good.
Shut up. Wait, why are you screaming? You just made me go into the sidewalk. Chuck E. Cheese? Isn't Chuck E. Cheese a mouse?
Well, it's still bad.
He's not gonna haunt us. Not every rat is Chuck E. Cheese.
No, he is.
No, he's not.
He is.
Maybe you wouldn't be so paranoid if you didn't use rat fur for your fursuit.
I did it.
Yes, you did. That's why you're so paranoid. The rats are not gonna haunt you.
Yes, they are. They'll haunt us. That's me.
What do I have to do with this? You're the one who thinks that all rats are Chuck E. Cheese.
You hit the rat. You both are after us. Stop!
What is it now?
I need to do a ritual. Wait.
What?
No, just listen to me, okay?
I don't want to listen to you.
Well, you have to. It's for Chuck E. Cheese.
What do you mean it's for Chuck E. Cheese?
I'm just gonna. No, we just gotta. No, we have to chant Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese. Okay?
Dude, I genuinely think that there's something wrong with you.
No.
Why are we doing a ritual over Chuck E. Cheese?
So we don't get haunted, okay? So we're just gonna jump and just scream Chuck E. Cheese.
Why?
Just listen to me, okay?
You know, whatever.
Okay, just 3, 2, 1. Chuck E. Cheese.
Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese.
Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese.
Okay.
Okay, we're done.
Thank God. Can I drive now?
No.
So now what?
Close the door.
You close the door.
I can't! My arms hurt.
Okay. From what? All we were doing was jumping and saying Chuck E. Cheese. People are gonna think there's something wrong with us.
No, that saved us. Okay, I think this is the place for Labubu's.
This is a food market.
No, it's where you find it. I saw it on TikTok. This is the
Okay,
place.
did you see the Chuck E. Cheese ritual on TikTok?
Yeah. And trust me, it's here. It says.
I don't trust you.
It says Lafufu Market.
No, it does not. It says food market.
No, it says Lafufu.
No, it doesn't. You're dyslexic.
No, it says Lafufu. Come on, let's go check inside.
Okay.
Yeah, listen to me next time.
No, I'm never gonna listen to you.
See, I told you there were Lafufus here.
Okay. So we just get it and go, right? We don't need to do a Lafufu ritual, right?
No, of course not. They're better than the rat.
Okay. Whatever you
Yeah,
say.
let's grab all of them.
Okay.
Let's go grab them.
Yeah, I'm
Can you
grabbing
help
them.
me?
No!
Rude. Can you help me grab them?
Wait, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get something else.
Okay.
This is what you get for hiding the rats! I hate you! Go die!
It wasn't me! It wasn't me!
Die! Who are you?
Get back over here!
Dog, I don't even know you!
Oh, you know me. Get back over here!
Stop! Oh my god, help guys. I'm being jumped.
No, get back over here! Get escape! Get escape, please! Get over here!
Dude, I don't even know you. Why are you jumping me?
All I have my... Get back over here!
Help me! Is that Chuck E. Cheese? Oh my god, help me!
Oh, it's coming after you
Okay. So, you need any help with this one?
No, I'm good, bro. No.
Okay.
Thanks for offering.
You're welcome, man.
So what should I do with you? No, what? You know what? See that one? Over here. Go on the balcony. So I feel nicer, you know. I feel like usually off the balcony is like the best option. So I just gonna beat you with a bat. Over here! Where are you? Over here! This is what you get for discriminating against furries and femboys.
Hey, you're just not my type, and I think you need to accept that.
No, you think you're just rude.
Hey, what are you doing? Get away from my butt! Go away! Go! Shoot! Or I'm gonna throw my shoe at you!
Oh. Hi, Mom!
Is she getting gangbanged too?
She's on the roof.
Why is she on my roof? She's gonna break it with her friend.
I don't
Jamie, where are you, my honey? Where are you? Get away from my daughter, you stupid asshole! Jamie, are you okay, lad? Did your brother tell you to be skinny? I know. I'm gonna be your brother's badass. This is where you eat so much food. This is why our friend before he ate all the food. Just wait till we get home, lad. I'm gonna be your fat ass.
Why? What did I do?
So honey, sweetie. My little honey sweetie, let me help you to the car. Here, honey sweetie, let me pick you up. Come on, my little honey sweetie. Kai, hurry your fat ass up.
Dog, I just broke my leg.
Look up, you little dumbasses. Get in the car, I love you, my little baby. Kai, you were a mistake.
Okay.
You were a mistake, Kai. I didn't want you.
We're going the wrong way.
Just for your disappointment, lah. You'll never be doctor.
What did I even do to you?
Be like your sister. Your sister a lot better.
How?
Oh, who's that emo freako at our house?
What
are
the?
you at? Why are you on my
Why are you here?
Hi, Jamie. I missed you. Hi. Why are you kissing my daughter, lah?
Oh my gosh.
Who are you?
I'm Jamie's mom, lah. Get off my house. Get away from my house, lah.
Wait, no, please. Can I just talk to your daughter? Like, really quick?
Yes. Kai Han Bak, get
No! No, please!
Kai Han Bak, get in
No! No, no, no. Guys, help me. SOS. SOS, please.
Kai
Help.
Han Bak, come on.
Help!
Hi, Jamie. Hi. Did you
Kai
just...
Han Bak, why would you do that? Don't be so
No, I didn't do that.
You got us at the beginning. You almost killed her.
How? I didn't do anything. She took me to like this place, and then we got jumped, and then like, how's it my fault?
How am I supposed to believe that? Go to your room.
Okay.
Kai Han Bak, go to your room right now.
Yeah, I'm going.
Jamie, I think I'll come back another time. It doesn't seem like your family is in the right place.
Bye, Jamie. Your sister gets more goals than you, lah.
What?
Fucking disappointment, lah. This is why Jamie is my favorite child. OMG, Jamie, my little honey, are you okay?
Oh,
my honey, do you need anything?
No, I don't need anything. I'm good.
I'm gonna make you snack food.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome, my favorite child. Your brother's the reason why your dad left.
Oh, okay.
Don't tell him I said that. He's special, but not in that way. Why is this recipe so fucking confusing, lah? God, why is this countertop so big?
Do you need any help?
No, it's okay, lah. Just sit down, relax. Your brother likes banana. Your brother likes bananas, but he also hates bananas.
Oh.
You get more girls than him. I'm disappointed in that.
Yeah, he's the biggest disappointment.
Here you go, lah. Here you go, lah.
Oh, thank you so much.
I'm gonna go do work upstairs and beat your brother's fat ass again. He's the reason why we're poor.
Okay, so...
He eats all the food in this fucking house.
Oh! This is good.
Hi, Jamie!
Oh!
Hi!
Guys, help me! Oh wait, I'm stuck in the bush.
Back here.
Oh my god! Mom, why do you have a gun?
Stay still. Stay still.
Whoa, guys.
Back to your room now, or else I will shoot you dead right here.
Yup. Yeah. I'm going.
Oh, this is very good.
Yeah, you can you like put the gun?
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm going to my room. What do you want now? What?
Don't let him leave my Jamie now. I love you, Jamie.
What the flip?
Oh, now I'm going.
Jamie, this is all your fault! Jamie, I almost got shot in the head because of you.
I don't get anything. Here, stop yelling, Kai. Kai, stop yelling.
This shit for the success. Run the track. What makes you think?